Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal, and in this video we discuss about hydrocarbons, saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. What are the differences between two kind of hydrocarbon? We discuss about this thing in this video. So before starting the discussion, I would like to say that if you are new to this channel or do not subscribe this channel, then subscribe this channel right now. Okay, so let's start our discussions. That saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbons are those hydrocarbons that contain only carbon-carbon single bond. Okay, carbon-carbon single bond compounds are called saturated hydrocarbons. Generally these are alkanes. Alkanes are called saturated hydrocarbons, means carbon-carbon single bond only. Okay, like example methane, ethane. Here carbon and carbon, between two carbon only single bonds present. So for this reason the compounds where we find that carbon carbon single bond is present only, that time we call the compound as saturated hydrocarbon, because of the presence of only carbon carbon single bond, single covalent bond. And if the carbon carbon double bond and carbon carbon triple bond is present in the hydrocarbon, that time we call the hydrocarbon as unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbon further divided into two categories. One is alkene, this is called alkene, and this is called alkyne. Alkyne and alkene, both groups are in the unsaturated group, unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbon means the compound must have any double bond or must have any triple bond. Okay, these are when containing double bond, that time we call the hydrocarbon as alkene, and when hydrocarbon containing triple bond we call the hydrocarbon as alkyne. Okay, so this is the example of unsaturated hydrocarbon, like ethene where a double bond is present, ethyne where a triple bond is present. So for unsaturated hydrocarbon the double bond and triple bond must be present, double bond or triple bond must be present. So these are the example of some unsaturated hydrocarbon, like ethene and ethyne are example of unsaturated hydrocarbon. Next important point for unsaturated hydrocarbons and saturated hydrocarbons is for we can see some different examples also. As for examples, this one is a saturated hydrocarbon because here no carbon carbon double bond or triple bond present. It is an unsaturated hydrocarbon because here one double bond is present. This one is also an unsaturated compound because of the presence of triple covalent bond in this compound. Okay, so in this way you can identify that compound is saturated or unsaturated. When the compound have only carbon carbon single bond, it is saturated hydrocarbon, and when the compound have only either carbon carbon double bond or either carbon carbon triple bond, these are called unsaturated hydrocarbon. Next important difference is that the reaction made by this saturated hydrocarbon is this can show substitution reaction. This can show substitution reaction as for example when methane and chlorine gas mixed in presence of diffuse sunlight, it is producing methyl chloride plus HCl. Here the one hydrogen atom of methane is substituted by chlorine gas, a chlorine atom of chlorine gas, and this is looking like this one. Here in methane, this is the methane 4 hydrogen, and among these 4 hydrogen, one hydrogen atom is substituted by chlorine atom, and this is why this show substitution reaction. All the all this type of saturated hydrocarbon shows substitution reaction, but for alkene or unsaturated hydrocarbon, if we add bromine in carbon tetrachloride, this is called addition reaction. This one, unsaturated hydrocarbon undergo addition reaction when bromine and carbon tetrachloride is given to the mixture of ethene. It is forming 1,2-dibromo ethane. So it is the addition product, addition reaction, because net number of atom is increased. So for this reason this is an addition reaction. Here one pi bond or one double bond is broken and 2 bromine atom are added to the system, means CH2 system. So for this reason these are performing addition reaction. Similarly, we can show the addition reaction of alkyne triple bond compounds. So these are showing substitution reaction and these are showing addition reaction. Next important difference is this is less reactive and this one is more reactive. This one is do not easily attack by acid, base, etc., but unsaturated hydrocarbon easily attack by acid, water, etc. So for this reason these are more reactive compared to unsaturated hydrocarbon. These are more reactive. Okay, in presence of water, in presence of acid, these unsaturated hydrocarbon easily react. So for this reason of reactivity of unsaturated hydrocarbon, these are more reactive. Next important difference is in saturated hydrocarbon, all the carbon atoms in saturated hydrocarbon are sp3 hybridized. All carbon atoms, this one is sp3, this one is sp3, means all carbon atoms that are present in saturated hydrocarbon are must be in sp3 hybridization, but the carbon atoms that are present in unsaturated hydrocarbon is sp2 hybridized or sp hybridized. sp2 hybridized or sp hybridized for the unsaturated hydrocarbon, the carbon atom are sp2 hybridized, either sp2 hybridized or sp hybridized. So this one is one important difference between sp3 between the two types of compound, means saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Next important difference is see, this is a saturated hydrocarbon and this is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Here hydrogen atom, more hydrogen, less hydrogen atom are present. Here more hydrogen atom. More hydrogen atom is present in saturated hydrocarbon, and for unsaturated hydrocarbon the less hydrogen atom are present in unsaturated hydrocarbon. So this one is a very important difference. Another important difference between these two classes of hydrocarbons is saturated hydrocarbon burn with blue flame and unsaturated hydrocarbon burn with sooty flame. If we differentiate these two types of classes or types of hydrocarbon, saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon, it is another difference that unsaturated hydrocarbon burns with sooty flame, but the saturated hydrocarbon burns with blue flame. So this one is another important difference between the unsaturated hydrocarbon and the saturated hydrocarbon. So this is the discussions about the saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. What are the differences between these two classes of hydrocarbon? I discussed details about the difference of saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. So that's it. So if you find that this video is useful to you, then give a like to this video and subscribe this channel and hit the bell button in order to get the new video notification. Thank you for watching this video.